Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface inside AutoCAD here. Here's a model here. So this is actually a model, same model basically. And this is a solid. Our software doesn't handle solid, so you have to explode the solid and then extract the surface. So this is actually the top surface after exploding the model, and then the surface will be top surface will be moved to here. So we don't need then the solid model here. We just delete them here, and then we have a surface. So this kind of surface actually is a three surface. You see here then the red, green, and blue. And because why is that they are three surface? Because there's a sharp join here. You see here. And for sharp join here, it's normally a separate surface. You cannot bend the surface into sharp angle here. That's not possible. So, and this is actually the model that I want to show you how to unfold. Okay, it's very simple here. So once you download the software from our website, and then load the software into AutoCAD, you have two commands here. So one is actually called unfold surf. So for this red and the blue here, then you can use the unfold surf to flat it. So it's very simple here. So just from unfold surf here, and then you just select them here, and then you click it, and that's it here. This is actually the flat one here. And similarly, we delete this one here. So this is actually then and similarly, you can use then the unfold surf here, and then you select then this is the red one here. So let me repeat here. So unfold surf, and then you select the red one here, and then you see here, and this is actually then the unfold results here. For this kind of shape here, that's is very accurate here. This is actually the rule surface, and there should be no problem. So now we have another surface here. I'll show you here, and we delete this one, and then we delete this one here. So. And we delete this one here. So now we only have this surface here. So, and this is actually the double curvature surface here. So, and you see here is easy to use our software to unfold it here. You just see you can use another command called the G unfold here, and then you will select. You just use the window selection. So I delete the other surface. So it's make easy to select it. You can pick individual surface, but it take time. And once you do that here, and then they'll ask you whether you want to unfold the inner boundary. You see then, yes, and then you can say no, and then it will not unfold the inner boundary here, right? And then you can have this results here. This is actually the result here. See here, this is actually the inner boundary here, unfolded here. Oh, there's this one here. There must be another surface here that will be just put together here. Yeah, this is actually the one here. On top of that here, there'll be flat as well. So if this is actually the cutout here, then you can be flat as well. So, and this is actually the useful tool. Once you have this one, then you can easily cut the flat sheet metal here and then bend it here into the 3D model you want here. So that's for today. Thank you. Bye.